Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Nicky Partridge, and it is my absolute pleasure to be here with you once again, this time delivering a workshop session on the topic of managing difficult questions and speaking strategies. The title of my presentation is, that's a very, very interesting question. Okay, so who should attend this masterclass session? Well, really anybody who is teaching English language, communicative English language at any level. And also for students who are interested in increasing their tool belt of language to be able to have some really, really good lexical chunks up their sleeve that they can take out and use as a little crutch to manage difficult questions in speaking scenarios. Why you should attend this? Well, you should attend because I'm going to be giving you some real language to be able to use immediately in your EFL classrooms. This is from my many years of experience, and I will also be giving you a few little anecdotes along the way. So hopefully it's going to be lots of fun. Okay, I look forward to seeing you there, and thank you very much. Goodbye.